I'm Linda from Elenco. We're based out of Chicago, and we make the snap circuits. My dad started this company way back in 1972. We were STEM way back then, but we are now known mostly for the snap circuits. The snap circuits is a learning toy where you snap pieces together on a plastic circuit board, and instead of soldering them together, you snap them to make a circuit. You can make things like cars and buildings and houses, but what it mostly does is it teaches you about electronics, and it teaches you how to make a circuit. All of our products come with a manual, and the manual teaches you from project to project how the circuits are made. So you can learn things like how the circuits in your house are made, how your fuse boxes work, and how they all work together. Our newest product for this year is called Snap Circuits Brick Structures, and it combines our snap circuits with ordinary building bricks, and through that you can make just about anything. You can make a house, you can make a tower, you could make the elevators in a house work. And what's so creative about this product is you can combine it with ordinary building bricks that you already have at home and make just about anything. So what I really like about the expo is that I get to see all of the bloggers and the reviewers and the people that really like our products, and I get to see a lot of the kids playing with it and trying out some of our new things, and I'm really happy to be here.